The role of a CIO in a bank like Julius Baer is multifaceted. First of all, he's the guardian of the investment process, because we need to be able to explain how we make decisions and how performance was achieved, being always ultimately the outcome of a well-structured process. So that's the consequences as much as the objective. To structure an investment process, you need to foster an investment culture. You need to articulate investment beliefs. We have a very comprehensive set of investment beliefs, which I developed over more than 3 decades. And this is really the basis of everything we do when we make investment decisions on behalf of our clients. If the markets were always good, there would be no need for a CIO. It's because markets are sometimes difficult. There you need reliable, experienced advice to help you navigate those markets. But very critically, it's in crisis that you make a lot of money, that you buy cheap. And that's why I think crises are extremely exciting. This was a fascinating moment. Don't say that too loud, but it was one of the most interesting periods of my career. You really had to work hard to understand the mechanism at work first, and to guess what policy response would be appropriate and comprehensive to stop the bleeding and the crisis, that mechanical destruction of equity value in the financial system. There are few absolute investment truths, and I think this is a very, very important starting point. What do I mean by that? I mean, there are different ways to invest. They all have their relative merits and weaknesses. What you cannot do is change philosophy every 6 months. You have to have a set of beliefs, you have to have a methodology, you have to have a philosophy, and stick to it. Unfortunately, you cannot rigidly stick to it because the market opportunity sets evolve over time. So it's a subtle mix of discipline but also evolution. The market has no mercy. You can look spectacularly wrong in the short term and turn out to be spectacularly right over the medium term. So this is an extremely demanding job, psychologically speaking, especially in that position of a large company's CIO function. So yes, you have moments of counterperformance, underperformance. And in those moments, I tend to think about what I like, snow, mountains, and I wish maybe I choose the career of a mountain guide and ski instructor, to be honest, and a completely different life. It's going to be hard to reconvert because I'm afraid the hardware is no longer fit for such activities, but the software hopefully still works well.